Greeting to my supervisor and panel 1 and panel 2. So today I will present to you my study is on about the effect of MAPP on the printing filament properties made from wood dust, cycle PP composite. And my name is Aenderson Chaong Ujih, and this is my study. For the introduction, I present to you the first point is the Malaysian population is increased at a rapid rate, increasing 32.6 million in 2019. It will estimate the waste will be 38,200 per ton per day. And the source is from News Street Time in 2019. And a worldwide fund also commission show that ASEAN annual per capita plastic waste show that Malaysia in the second rank. As we know, the plastic waste become the issue right now in 2020. Due to this issue, uh, there is a problem for this problem statement will be wood dust. In the other hand, has a low uses lithium energy and renewable and biodegradable. And for the plastic also, widely used and material is low cost, lightweight, texture, durability, and easy. For this two material has own its ability, but to make a special ability to make a special material properties. So both as so the wood plastic will be have this properties. So the development of wood plastic is a trade interest in a variety industry, that including construction, automotive, and others. And wood of plastic has a high specific strength, modulus, and as well as corrosion resistant when compared to synthetic rubber. For this study, I will try to mix two material, the wood dust and the plastic. The research objective for the main research of is to study physical, mechanical, and morphological properties of wood dust and propylene composites. And the first objective is to characterize the morphological and physical properties of recycled propylene and wood dust. And my second objective is to evaluate the effect graphite ratio MPP toward the mechanical properties of produced filament. So as we can see, the two objectives that I'm trying to achieve in this study. Uh, Plastics. For this study, I will using a plastic. There are 7 types of plastic that I figure out. So the plastic most widely used due to its low cost, lightweight, texture, durability, and ease to use. As I mentioned before, and plasticity is commonly combined with other particular features like low resistance, low electrical conductivity, transparent toughness, allow plastic to be manufactured into a variety of products. So there, in this study, I will select any. I will try to select any plastic that is suitable for this study. For the propylene PP, for this study, I will using the propylene as a composite to the uh, wood dust, combination of wood dust, and propylene is commodity polymer that produced in automotive sector. PP because it's ideal lightweight, Canadian material fulfill the ever increasing need for electric vehicle. Example of PP is bottle cap, rope, and cloth. Ability of and properties of PP is also have a high melting temperature, low density excellent chemical resistant and heat tolerant. PP also have a wide range of application in anywhere. Wood dust. Overall, wood dust is term for cheap wood as a manufacturing waste and can be categorized by grade variant depend on the type or species of wood dust that being machined or type of wood material as well as their shape and size are different version from practical that produce in different method or specific specification of machining. It also would also indicated as a level of wood chipped from harvest activity. The majority of forest trash, particularly wood dust, wasn't used and utilized properly. So wood dust also can be categorized as recycled and used material, and also has been used to produce a polymer-based composite. So in this study, I will use the wood dust for the wood dust because due to its degradable and able to use treatment. This is treatment for wood dust. The purpose of this treatment is to improve the interfacial volume between composite material, and to do this using a solution of silane and also volatile coupling agent to treat the PP wood fiber or rubber wood plastic composite. Some research also show that silane treatment wood fiber have good interfacial adhesion with composite, and that silane treatment may enhance the composite tensile and wearability. So in table shows several silane treatment that treat type of fiber, different type of fiber like cones of fiber, stem of lactose fiber, Sansevieria tricentenna, and also lalang fiber. And some research also doesn't have use fiber. This treatment show different result, and some have using different treatment source. For my study, we'll use silane as a treatment for the wounds. Malatype. Malatype is coupling agent are frequently used to reform or composite using filler and fiber reinforcement. In this study, I will be using this malatype, and the type of the use is Mapp. Malatype coupling agent with a correct balance of molarite, hydride, and molecular mass can achieve the best performance in fiber composite according to actual properties information. In this study, I will try to reach the best performance with using three type of mass. There are 1%, 3%, and 5% of malatype. The malatype I use is malatype propylene (MAPP). MAP also can use to improve lyric and infill compatible. This table shows the uses of MPP based on research paper. They were using composite between kernel and PP, uh, MDF glass, and also aluminum powder using PP, laminate fiber and PP, and rattan with MPP, wood floor, uh, homopolymer composite also use MAPP. The other type of malaric also use MAPE uh, that have come out with different results. So in the study, I will try to get a result from using different ratio of MAPP. This my flowchart on how I going to conduct this study. So at the beside the flowchart, they have some picture that equipment that I will use for this study. And at the end of study, I will be analyze the mechanical analysis, physical analysis, and morphology analysis. To conduct this study, I will prepare some material. There will be a recycled PP that prepared by supplier in pallet condition, that and also wood dust collected from manufacturing factory, and we need to reduce the size of particle of dust using sieve process into 425 micrometer. Then preparation for saline, we need to do solution for saline that consists 10 ml of saline, 49 ml of distilled water, and 441 milliliter of methanol. This saline will used to treat the wood dust. The wood dust will soak into saline solution for 3 hours. After the 3 hours, it will be dry using oven for 80 degrees Celsius. With after it's dry, it's ready to mix with PP with a different ratio of MAP. Every composite and every specimen will be have 100 gram of composite. The table show how I going to mix the material based on their percentage with 500 gram per composite. After the mix food that mixed with PP that with a different ratio of MAPP, then I will fabricate into filament using twin extruder that we can change the form of the pellet. Then after I get the filament, I will be print it out using 3D printing into specimen shape that dumbbell shape. The figure show the example of dumbbell shape that I'm going to fabricate. Preliminary results. For this results that I predict based on research paper, they will also use a synthetic percentage of MAPP loaded. There were 0%, 1%, 3%, and 5%. Based on the research that using lalang fiber and PP composite with MAPP loaded, they show 1% have a high tensile strength that 24.3 megapascal. This shows that the best percentage of MAPP can be loaded into this type of composite is 1%. This study also I will be have a physical analysis based on what absorption test. The tendency of composite absorber is test. So in this study, due to high tensile strength, I assume that 1% PP will be has less absorption of water because the void within particle is low and also have high density. For polychemical is scanning electrical microscopy used to investigate the interface of condition between the phase and analyze the temperature of the substrate. In this study, I am going to use this to scan the specimen to see their interface. And the figure above shows that agrofiber and PP composite with a coupler, and the below show the agrofiber plus PP composite with ethylene This shows like same as I conduct the study, it will be see which specimen has less void, and also can differentiate the percentage of MUPP by seeing the interface of every different specimen. Thank you for attention. So this is my study that I will study to conduct properties that using composite of wood paper or wood gas uh, combination with PP into composite, and also adding some MAPP ratio that will be 1%, 3%, and 5%, and there will be 0% to see the different properties based on analysis that mechanical, physical, and morphological. So, thank you for attention, everyone.